Don't laugh. This may look like a toy, but this is probably one of the best gifts that I have received from the missus in a long time. This is called the Zeeksaw, and she picked this up off from Temu, and I'm amazed on how well this is performing. It's cutting through this stuff with no problem. 21 volts, comes with 2 batteries. I think you're going to be real impressed with this. Let's head back into the studio and I'll talk about this. But before I do that, check this out. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Okay, let's go into the studio. Okay, so don't let this little saw fool you. This is an amazing little tool to have. Every homeowner should have this. Again, it's called the Zeeksaw. You saw me cutting some branches out there with no problems at all. With that said, as small as this is, it's still very dangerous. It's an electric chainsaw. It does have a safety lock on it, so you can not accidentally squeeze the trigger, which is kind of nice, you know. But what the kit comes with is it comes with a pair of gloves already. I use my gloves. I kind of like them. These are okay. There's nothing really to anything to write home about. They're not bad. They're not bad, but to me they just feel a little chintzy. But if you've got nothing, this is better than nothing. Okay, so kind of keep that in mind. You know, something's better than nothing. And this, all of this stuff that I'm going to show you here comes with this kit for like 50 bucks. So we got some gloves, we got the directions. I did look at those earlier just to see about the oiler. The oiler doesn't show you how to fill it up. Basically, all I had done is I had taken some oil and I put it in a styrofoam cup and I just kind of squeezed it and I sucked it up in there a couple of times, and now I've got some oil for the chain, because you want to actually oil the chain every time you use it, just like a regular chainsaw. So we've got the oiler. It comes with some safety glasses, some pretty nice shades. I wear glasses, so this makes it a little difficult, but we can try them on, see how they look. Oh yeah, they're very nice. They're good. They're a good set of shades if you're working outside in the sun. But where I wear glasses, they're kind of useless to me. So it comes with those, which is really nice. Comes with a screwdriver that you're going to need to do chain replacement or whatnot on it. So it comes with that. It comes with everything you need. Look at this. It even comes with a spare chain. I thought that was really kind of nice to go along with it. The likelihood of you dulling this and breaking it, it's unlikely. This is not designed to go out there and start your own forestry company. This is great for stuff, just small branches. What I was thinking about is keeping it in the four-wheeler when I'm out working on the trail. And usually you just got some small branches and you could bring this along. So you got that. 2 batteries. Comes with 2 batteries, 21 volt, and it has a little button that you can push to see if the battery is charged up enough. So, and it comes off and on just like any other device. Take it, plug it in, and so forth. Comes with a super nice little case to go along with this. All this for 50 bucks. So it's a really good deal, and I would definitely recommend this. This is something that I would definitely have on the four-wheeler or have in my arsenal around the property. Now, one thing I don't like about it, all right, is the charger. A lot of these tools that I have found that come from Temu, they all come with this charger, and I don't like these. And I know exactly what's going to happen with this charger. I'm going to lose it. Unless I keep it in this kit, or if I mark it so I know exactly that it goes with the Zeeksaw, I'm going to lose this. Because this is how you charge the battery. You take that and you just plug it in, and that's the charger. I do not like that. A lot of the tools that come from that company, that's how they're all set up. I like being able to take this and plug it right into a regular charger like my Craftsman system. So that's the only thing I don't like about the whole system. But it's well worth the money for 50 bucks. The only thing you have to do, again, is you've got to put some oil in the little oiler. So, other than that, there's not a whole lot to say. This is something, again, I love it. I laughed at it first when I saw it. It's what a toy, but it's dangerous. It's dangerous. So be careful with this. So, well, hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you on the next one.